Ever wanted to display clean, organized tables on your WordPress site, but weren't sure how to do it? Whether you want to list product details, pricing plans, or comparison charts, I've got you covered. Today, you'll learn exactly how to create tables in WordPress, both with and without a plugin. Let's start with the easiest and most flexible way, using a plugin. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Plugins greater than Add New. In the search bar, type in TablePress, one of the most popular and beginner-friendly table plugins out there. Click Install, then Activate. Once activated, you'll see a new TablePress option in your dashboard. Open it and click Add New Table. Give your table a name, decide how many rows and columns you need, and hit Add Table. From here, you can easily edit each cell, add text, sized images, or even links. You can rearrange rows, merge cells, and customize your table just like in Excel or Google Sheets. When you're done, simply copy the shortcode that appears at the top and paste it into any post or page. That's it. Your table is live. Now, if you don't want to use a plugin, WordPress still has your back. When editing a post or page in the block editor, click the plus icon, search for the table block, and choose how many rows and columns you need. You can type directly into each cell, adjust the alignment, and even tweak colors or borders from the settings panel on the right. It's simple, fast, and perfect for small or straightforward tables. So whether you prefer a quick built-in option or the full customization power of TablePress, you can now create clean, professional tables that make your content stand out. If you found this helpful, don't forget to keep exploring new ways to enhance your WordPress site. There's always something new to learn.